I want to show you a result that changed how I see agent architecture. I ran the same task, 5 parallel operations, 2 different frameworks. One finished in 53 milliseconds, the other took 4 seconds. What surprised me, the slower one gave me a better answer. Not an error, not a failure. Pure architecture. By the end of this video, you will know exactly when to use each one. LangGraph is a Python framework built on top of LangChain. The idea is simple. You define your agent as a graph. Every node is a function. Every edge is a decision. You are in complete control of what happens, in what order, and under what condition. Nothing runs unless you explicitly told it to. Google ADK, Agent Development Kit, is Google's framework for building agents that communicate with each other. You define an agent's capabilities. The framework handles how tasks get routed, delegated, and returned. You are not drawing a map. You are registering a skill, and ADK figures out when to use it. Here is the LangGraph setup. First state, I define a type tick called DemoState with 2 fields, the task and a results. Notice this annotation on results, annotated with operator add. That is the reducer. When multiple nodes run in parallel and all return results, this tells LangGraph how to merge them, add them together, not override each other. This one line is what makes parallel execution safer. Now the graph. 5 nodes. Each one simulates a unit of work. I fan out from start to all 5 simultaneously. All 5 connect directly to end. When I call invoke, LangGraph fires all 5 in parallel and waits for the last one to finish before merging state. 53 milliseconds. All 5 results merge correctly in state. A pure local execution. No network, no model, no external services. LangGraph ran your functions in parallel on your machine. That is the glass box doing exactly what you designed. Now the ADK side, a different mental model entirely. I create an LLM agent, a research agent backed by Gemini 2.5 Flash. I wrap it in a sequential agent. I create a runner and a session via in-memory session service. No edges defined, no graph drawn. I declare a capability and hand it to the framework. To invoke it, I create a content object, a type message, not a plain string. I pass it through run async and iterate over events. ADK streams the response back. The final event holds the model's answer. 4 seconds. But look at what came back. A real sentence. A real architecture comparison from a live model. ADK did not just execute your code. It reasoned. That 4 seconds gap is not latency. It is intelligence. I want to be honest with you about these numbers. 53 milliseconds versus 4 seconds. This is not LangGraph ahead in a race. These 2 frameworks was not built for the same job. LangGraph is fast because it executes your code locally. No model, no network, no external service. You design every node. You define every edge. The speed comes from control. ADK is slower because it calls a live model over the network. A real query goes out, a real answer comes back. The 4 seconds is not a problem to solve, it is the cost of a brain. So the choice was never about a raw speed. Ask yourself, does your task require speed or a brain? If your agent knows exactly what to do, use LangGraph. If you want your agent to know exactly what to do, use ADK. One more thing. When I first tried to run both frameworks in the same script, I hit this error. Runtime error. Feature attached to a different loop. Here's what happened. LangGraph uses one asyncio event loop. Google ADK spins up its own. When you run them together from the same main thread, the loops collide and one of them crashes. The fix is ThreadedChildRunner. ADK gets its own dedicated thread with its own event loop. LangGraph keeps the main loop. They never touch each other. This is a kind of fix that costs you half a day if you hit it without context. Now you have the context. Here is the one idea I wanted to keep. We shifted from point graph to system design. The choice between LangGraph and ADK is not a technical preference. It is an architectural decision. One gives you a map, ADK gives you a city. Build accordingly. Code linked below, fully commented. Next, we go deeper into ADK sandbox security and what it means for production. See you in the next video.